Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're gonna be talking about hair. I'm using this moisture recovery hair treatment balm from JOICO. I love it a lot and I cannot wait to tell you all about it. So before we start this video guys, please remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and let's go. Alright guys, so I just washed my hair. Today is just one of those lazy days that, I don't know, I'm just struggling to find the courage to do things. But anyways, here we are. I was actually super excited to do this video because it's my first hair related video that is not about Kerastase. So I'm gonna be talking about one of my favorite hair products in the moment. My hairstylist was actually the one that recommended it for me the day I had my highlights done. At the moment I thought it was actually a little bit expensive, but he told me to trust him and to go ahead and buy it. He showed me the results of some of his clients that had been using this product and I was actually very impressed. So I went ahead and I bought it. It is the JOICO Moisture Recovery Treatment Balm. The thing about the price of this product is that it actually varies a lot. Like, I thought the Kerastase products actually changed prices depending on where you buy them. But this one was actually way more impressive, I swear. I found all types of prices depending on the website and it really shocked me. After a little bit of research, I actually found a pretty decent price and then I went ahead and bought it. I definitely do not regret it. It is very 100% worth it. Since I really didn't know much about this product, I wanted to try it a decent amount of times before I came here and talked to you, because I wanted to have a little bit more of details and more of a formed opinion already when I recorded the video. And this is what we're doing today. Here's a little bit of what we can expect from it. It replenishes lost moisture and deeply hydrates the hair, reduces breakage by up to 80%, reduces frizz, adds softness, shine, and movement to the hair. I can definitely say that it reduces the frizz by a lot. Like, when I say a lot, I actually never tried a product that reduced the frizz so much like this one. Like, really, I'm really impressed by it. Most of the times I use it, I let my hair dry naturally and it still dries like in perfect shape. I don't have to blow dry it that often. Even drying out naturally, it doesn't have any frizz, which is super impressive. I feel that my hair is deeply moisturized and hydrated after I use it. But here's the thing. I feel like that the day that I use it and the day after, but once I go and wash my hair again with another kind of product, I feel like my hair, it's kind of like my hair goes 2 steps forward with this and then I have to go 1 step back when I use another product. It's not that it will permanently hydrate and moisturize your hair. That's what I think, at least for all the times I've used it. But for the 2 days after you use it, you will have an amazing moisturized, hydrated hair. And it's not like when you wash it, it all goes away. I feel like you just have to be patient and keep using it. And obviously a little bit of product always stays in our hair, and that's why I think it works so well. You will lose a little bit of the product when you wash it again, and then you will use it again, and it goes like that forever until your hair is completely actually healed and moisturized and actually hydrated. Another thing I feel like I need to talk about is that it really is hard to wash it out. I don't know if you guys have ever tried using coconut oil in your hair, but that's kind of what it feels like. It's not as hard because coconut oil is very hard to take out of the hair, but this does take a while, I have to say. A couple of tips I can give you is that when you're washing it out, try to use cold water. I feel like it works best and you can get most of the product out. They suggest leaving the balm for 5 minutes on your hair before washing it out, and I definitely recommend not going past that amount of time because then it will only get harder to wash it out. This is a very strong and powerful product, and I feel like that's why it works so well, and it's kind of expected for it to be hard to wash out because it is heavy, you know. It's a balm, it's not actually a mask, so it has that buttery texture, and I don't know, it feels like it penetrates the hair even more deeply than a mask does. Honestly, it just works wonders. You just kind of have to get used to how it works. Once you get it in your routine and you learn how to wash it off properly and actually pay attention to the time you're leaving it on, it will get easier and you will be able to see the desired results. A little bit about what's inside this little bottle over here. They have the Muru, olive, and shea butters, which deeply nourish and conditions the hair and helps increase strength. It also has the Hydramine C complex, which is a blend of unique natural moisturizing elements from the ocean, which helps restore the hair hydrolipidic barrier and prevent dehydration. The smell of this product is really good. It's not mind-blowing and insane, but it definitely is really good. I'll give it like a 7.5, 8 out of 10. And I feel like once your hair is dry, the perfect amount of scent is left behind, so you can still feel like your hair is clean and smelling really good. It smells clean and fresh, and I just love it, really. I feel like this is enough talking already. I'm gonna go ahead, blow dry my hair, and come back to show you the results. Alright guys, so this is how it looks. It really feels super moisturized. It shines like a lot, way more than it does with any other mask I've tried before. It has a lot of shine. It feels super soft. I really do love the way it feels and it looks. It just isn't super loose because the balm is a little bit heavy, so you can kind of expect that. I actually kind of like the way my hair kind of just stays put, you know. Talking a little bit about the price, I found it online on Amazon for around $30. Definitely not as expensive as any Kerastase mask, and I definitely 100% recommend it, guys. I feel like this has done so much for my hair. I really don't know where my hair would be without it. I love it a lot. If you want to invest your money in it, I would 100% tell you to go ahead and do it because it was completely worth it. I do not regret it at all. And if you actually decide to go ahead and try it, please let me know how you feel about it. And that's it for this video. Really hope you enjoyed it. If you still haven't, please remember to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all on the next video. Bye!